Welcome back to Word Journey, the channel that helps you speak English naturally and confidently in real life. Let me ask you a quick question. Do you ever feel stuck when speaking English in daily situations? Maybe you know grammar and vocabulary, but when it's time to talk to someone at work, in a shop, or on the phone, your mind goes blank? If that sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not alone. Many English learners struggle with this, and the solution is simpler than you think. You just need to learn and practice the most common English phrases that people use every day. So, in today's video, I'm going to share 50 basic English phrases for daily life. These are short, natural, and easy to use, whether you're at home, at school, traveling, or at work. By the end of this video, you'll have a strong foundation of phrases that will help you start and continue conversations easily in English. So, let's begin your word journey into real English communication. Section 1. Greetings and introductions. Let's start with the most basic and important part, greetings. Hello. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? Nice to meet you. How's everything going? Long time no see. How have you been? It's great to see you again. What's new with you? Have a nice day. These phrases help you start conversations in a friendly way. For example, Historia, hi, how are you? Ava, I'm good, thanks. And you? Simple, natural, and perfect for daily interactions. Section 2. Asking for help or information. Next, let's look at phrases you can use when you need help or information. Excuse me, can you help me? Could you tell me where the nearest bus stop is? I'm looking for this address. Do you know what time it is? Can I ask you a question? How do I get to the station? Is this the right way to the park? Could you please repeat that? Sorry, I didn't understand. Thank you for your help. These are essential for traveling, asking directions, or talking to strangers politely. Section 3. At work or school. Now let's look at some useful phrases for your workplace or classroom. Good morning, everyone. Can I ask a question? Could you explain that again, please? I'll send you an email later. Let's take a short break. That sounds like a good idea. I agree with you. I'm not sure about that. Let's finish this by tomorrow. Thank you for your time. These phrases help you sound polite and professional when communicating with colleagues or teachers. Section 4. Shopping and restaurants. We all need to shop, eat out, or buy something sometimes. Here are useful everyday phrases. How much is this? Do you have this in a different size? I'm just looking, thank you. Can I try this on? I'll take it, please. Can I pay by card? Could I have the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'd like to order this. The food was delicious, thank you. These phrases make it easy to handle daily activities like shopping or dining politely and smoothly. Section 5. Making small talk. Small talk is a big part of English communication. It helps you connect with people naturally. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? The weather is really nice today. What do you do for a living? Where are you from? Do you live around here? That's interesting. I really like your idea. How was your weekend? Did you watch the game last night? See you later. These phrases help you build friendly conversations and sound more natural. Section 6. Putting it all together. Now, let's put some of these phrases into real conversation examples so you can hear how they work naturally. Example 1. At a cafe. Historia. Hello, how are you today? Ava, I'm good, thanks. Could I have the menu, please? Historia. Of course. Here you go. Ava, thank you. What do you recommend? Historia. The pasta is very popular. Ava, great, I'll have that. Example 2. At work. Historia. Good morning. Can I ask a question about the report? Ava, sure, what is it? Historia. Could you explain this part again, please? Ava, no problem, let me show you. Historia. Thanks for your help. Example 3. Meeting a new person. Historia. Hi, nice to meet you. Ava, nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Historia. I'm from Spain. And you? Ava, I'm from Brazil. Historia. That's interesting. How long have you been here? Ava, about 2 years now. See how natural and simple these conversations are? You don't need complicated grammar or big words to sound fluent. You just need the right phrases. Section 7. Tips for practice. Here are a few quick tips to help you remember and use these phrases naturally. Practice daily. Choose 5 phrases and use them in real life today. Listen to native speakers. Notice how they use these phrases in TV shows or YouTube videos. Repeat them aloud. Speaking out loud trains your mouth and memory. Mix and match. Combine phrases to make your conversations longer and more natural. For example, Historia, excuse me, could you tell me where the station is? Ava, sure, go straight and turn left. Historia, thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Simple, polite, and natural. Conclusion. So, there you have it, 50 basic English phrases for daily life that will help you communicate more confidently in any situation. These phrases are short, useful, and easy to remember, and if you practice them regularly, you'll notice your English conversations becoming smoother and more natural. Remember, learning English is not about using complicated words. It's about using the right phrases at the right time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Word Journey, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future lessons. Now, tell me in the comments, which of these 50 phrases do you use most often in your daily life? Thank you for watching and keep practicing. Every day you speak, you grow stronger in your word journey toward fluency.